it's your girl Madison, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna be doing a Pizza Hut mukbang. Me and my sister, we were supposed to do a mukbang like a long time ago, and then I had told y'all to ask me questions, and so I still have those same questions. It was like a couple of months ago. So today we're gonna do that, and we're gonna eat pizza. And here it is. We got the big dinner box. Guess we can make it. You don't have to make a mukbang. Oh, not a mukbang.
Wow. Oh, okay.
A thumbnail.
It's leaning over there. Okay. We can just eat out of the box.
Okay, I was trying to be fancy with my plates, but it's okay.
Oh, it's okay. We can't eat out of the box because we got this pasta.
Bro, it don't matter.
Okay, period.
Okay, so in the big dinner box, we have pepperoni pizza, sausage pizza, breadsticks, and pasta.
She's doing a lot of talking, and I'm ready to eat. Can you start on the questions, Becky?
Okay, y'all. Let me find them. I don't lost them.
This is an ASMR.
This is pepperoni pizza.
This is chicken Alfredo.
The first question is, how did y'all's first date go?
First date?
Like the first date you ever had.
Oh, each. Child.
Yes.
You go first because I gotta think.
My first date, real date, is who I was with now. I don't even remember what it was.
I was just gonna say, I have no idea.
It may have been, I think we went to Applebee's. You want to be honest with you, I don't know.
Where did we? I would say my first official boyfriend. Where did?
Period.
I think we went to the movies. Well, I'm talking about my ex, but like I think he was my official. Like I think it was the movies, and I don't know, child. Who cares?
Period. What was your biggest fight? I don't think we've like fought. Maybe like argue, but I don't think we ever like.
We fight over little stuff.
Yeah.
Well, we used to fight over like the small, like who can sit in the front seat.
Yeah. I don't think we like actually fought, like not talk to each other.
We both got bad attitude,
yeah.
So I guess you could say
we did it from my mama.
Period. But I don't know. It's been so many kind of fights. Who knows? Probably something small.
Did y'all get along when y'all were younger?
No.
No!
We hated each other.
She used to put toothpicks in my socks. She used to tell on me.
First of all,
I couldn't go outside with her.
Madison, let me tell y'all this story real quick. Me and my cousin Taylor, shout out Taylor Perry, we got to go outside, right? She couldn't go outside because she got in trouble. So she stands at the door as we walking out the door. Bees, or let me say witches with the B. I said, Mama, both of us screaming. Mama, get her. That's how she was. She used to bite. She started biting when she was 1. You barely even have teeth when you 1. How are you biting? She started walking when she was 8 months. Like, a demon.
She was jealous because she was the first child. Here
for
I
4 years, and here she
the perfect
comes.
child coming in. She was jealous.
For 4 years, and here she come messing stuff up, messing up the routine, the rotation.
Jealousy.
Ugh.
What's the age difference? 4 years. Who's the funniest? Me.
Let me chew my food because that's rude.
I'm the funniest.
I'm funny, okay?
She's not funny as me.
I'm goofy. So I feel like being goofy is, you know,
no.
A plus.
I'm the funniest.
No, she's not. You're not.
Okay. We ask somebody right now, who's the funniest?
Call him.
Okay. Y'all watch this.
Call him.
Y'all watch this, okay?
Carlos can't be. Why is his name middle?
Little, shut up. You and Joe, come here.
Huh?
You and Joe, come here.
Alright.
Hurry up, we filming. Oh. I know this nigga ain't just hang up on me.
Y'all. No,
Okay.
you come on this side.
You gotta say, can you even see him? I don't even know. I can't go to glasses on.
Shit.
Wow.
We keeping it in there.
Come here.
Hey, hold on. Let me see.
Okay, yes. Okay, Carlos, who is the funniest? Be honest, me or Bria?
Dang, really?
Maddie. I'm sorry.
What'd you say, Joe?
I'm sorry.
Period.
It really is, cause she
Period.
Get the fuck.
she
Get
make
out.
weird noises.
Get out. Get out. Don't ask me for nothing. You not. Get out.
Wow.
Okay?
Wow.
Carlos, get out. Get out. Get out.
I didn't even see you took a slice of pizza. The next question is, who's the better driver?
Hey, come back in here for this question. How about that? Go on, step back in here real quick. Who did 2 hit runs? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
No, I came back on one of them.
One of them.
I was just scared to go in there by myself.
One. I ain't had no incidents. None.
Only one y'all can drive.
Knock on wood.
I can't drive.
Ain't your bumper missing?
But like, you going sideways in the driveway now. Stop playing with me.
Wait, I can't talk because I did it. My mama hold back up.
Thank you. Stop playing, bro. You was parked in the middle of the driveway.
That's because don't nobody else be, you know what I'm saying?
Why would you park in the middle of the driveway if our cars have to come straight out? I don't understand.
Because y'all know how to maneuver them joints.
Obviously not.
I really be planning on leaving, but, you know what I'm saying?
So you the problem. So she the reason why I hit it. Let's talk about it.
Oh, that's how your bumper came off?
What do you think?
I thought your bumper came
I told you she hit your car.
No, but I didn't know this how a bumper
No,
came off.
I was
Somebody
driving and the wind pulled it off.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Oh, well then, shit.
Thank
My
you.
bad.
So can we clarify who's the best driver?
Bria.
Thank you.
Lord.
Because Madison cannot drive.
You ain't had to.
Man, how my fork get over? I'm pretty sure that's my fork.
No, where's my fork?
Then why are you eating with my fork?
Somebody chose who fork this in.
Get out, everybody.
Who's the better cook?
You know.
I'm definitely the better cook. I don't even know how she front right now.
But I'm on my cooking stuff. I know how to
Yeah,
make gravy.
she start. Okay, she know how to make gravy, so I guess she better cry.
You can't cook.
You already know. I'm sorry. You ain't never had my food.
Yeah.
She talking to Joe, the grumpy, behind the camera.
That's gonna be the next challenge.
What?
All 3 of us gonna be in the kitchen cooking.
How old are we? I just turned 19 yesterday.
Jordan year, baby.
Wait, what's today? 13? And if you watch my last video, you will know I just turned 19.
Period.
So go watch it.
Period. I'm 23.
Jordan year.
Period.
What is y'all's favorite colors? Okay, so my favorite color used to be blue, but I started getting older. I feel like every girl color was either favorite color was pink or blue. And so then I started getting into like silver, like sparkly type stuff, or like gold. No, first it was blue, then it was gold. Right now it's kind of like silvery.
Silver and gold. Y'all know nothing about that. Mine used to be pink. But it depends on what the color is on. Like, as far as my clothes, I'm a neutral color gal, okay? But my jewelry and stuff, I like rose gold.
Girl, shut up.
And silver. I like silver. I don't know. I don't really care as long as it's not ugly.
Okay.
Questions?
Okay, next question is, who was our first celebrity crush? My first celebrity crush was Corbin Blue. I used to watch him on Jump In, on High School Musical. Period. Yep. That was my first celebrity crush. Now that I do know.
Yeah, mine was for sure Bow Wow. I'm almost positive.
Wait, mine might have been. You remember on Nickelodeon, that boy named Jordan?
Just Jordan.
Just Jordan.
It's just Jordan. It's just Jordan. Yeah, no, mine was Bow Wow for sure. I remember now. Oh, hey. No. B5. Oh, my Dustin. Stop playing. Michael.
Boys, we are the boys
Hey.
of motion. We give you our deal. Well, no, that's all right, man.
Yeah.
This question is, what is our favorite TV show at the moment? I already know hers.
Yeah. Euphoria.
At the moment, my favorite TV show, I don't know. Right now, I ain't even been watching TV. I've been watching Netflix. I've been catching up on Orange is the New Black right now. Oh, wait. What's the show I've been watching? Good Trouble. Good Trouble is my favorite TV show right now. It's like a spin-off of The Fosters. Yep, I love that.
Oh, Handmaid's Tale. Handmaid's Tale on Hulu. That's what I've been watching too. But Euphoria is like
Good Trouble.
no mine.
You know what? Alright, y'all, that is it for this mukbang / little sister tag Q&A. Make sure y'all like this video, share it, comment what y'all want to see next, turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post another video. Yeah, comment some more videos that y'all want us to do together. You know? Okay, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel if you're new here. If this is your first video, subscribe, because I need you. Period. Bye.